Welcome to day 4 of the epic alligator build, and we're just having a little clean up of some of the fiberglass last night. Now it's dried and the boys are jumping straight into completing the platform, so she's got somewhere to romp about in. Now while they're doing this, we have another special guest. It's Richard from Oazi, who is back to upgrade the carp pond. So Oazi are the best filtration company on the planet. There is no one as good as their products. So when we were upgrading the alligator enclosure, I knew I needed the best filtration and I knew they were the ones for the job. So I contacted Richard to ask his advice on the best equipment. When he found out all the good work we did and what an incredible project this was and how amazing Lacoste was, he had a word with his marketing team and came back, and to our absolute delight, they agreed to donate all the equipment that we needed. I mean, what incredible people are they? The equipment actually does cost a fortune. It's brand spanking new. It's only just come out on the market. And when I say this is the all singing, all dancing, fantastic product, there is nothing better. So Richard's just showing you, this is the old stuff that we had here. So this is what was in the carp pond. The old filter, the old pumps, you can see they're a little bit miserable, way too small for what we had and not fit for purpose. So this is the most amazing filter in the world, apart from the alligator one. This is a smaller version though, because obviously the carp pond's a lot smaller. We don't need that huge of a filter, but this one, and there's a comparison there so you can see how much bigger and better it is. This does everything. It's going to be incredible for cleaning, for maintenance. It is just a single pump at the top. You don't have to keep draining it, which is demoing that now, and you attach the pump, the hose to that, and it will pump out all the dirty water without disturbing the fish at all and without loads of mess. Now just look at the colour of our water. Now if we do a test on that, it is testing perfectly. The parameters are great, but it doesn't look very good. Now this filter has a twin pump, so the main body of the water pumps straight back into the pond, but it splits it in two so that we can still keep our beautiful water fountain as well. Now part of good water quality is the beneficial live bacteria. So we've taken all the media out of the old pump, put it in a little bag there, popped it in the water, so it's still going to have that beneficial bacteria in there, which is the life source for the fish and keeps the water quality perfect. That beneficial bacteria will then transfer into the media in the new filter and the cycle shall continue. I will say at this point, Richard did actually explain all of this a lot more eloquently than I, but unfortunately when editing this video I realised that my microphone did not work. So sorry about that guys, and sorry about Rich, you're actually a lot more interesting than me. So let's have one more look at the water. There's little Patrick Swayze, the ghost carp. We've got Barbara Carpland there. We've got Fish Face. We've got the Real Swim Shady. We've got Bendy Wendy. They're all in there. They can't wait to have some nice clean water tomorrow. So we're going to come back in the morning and see what this filter has done overnight. Now the fiberglassing's finished, we're going to be moving outside the enclosure, so there's a lot of dust flying around, so I thought it's best to wrap the top of the pond with cling film to keep the fish safe. And while I was doing that, Richard had some bonding time with Lacoste and gave her a little spray and a drink. Meanwhile, our trail group boys had a well-deserved break, enjoying some homemade cake from Ranger Jess. Well, they wolfed that down, thanks Jess, that was gorgeous. Now to crack back on with the alligator enclosure. So now we're making a porch with a double door system. And let's have a look inside. Ta-da! We can see the platform is finished. So she's got loads of area to run around on. Now we needed to waterproof it, so back on with the breathing equipment and a little layer of the top flow coat, just to make sure the top's waterproofed and the beautiful wood doesn't rot through. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Although it's not going to stay looking like that for very long. We're going to astroturf that tomorrow. We'll see you then.